to fix the missing LDAC or LHDC option on your Google Pixel 11, what you need to do is you want to go to Settings on your phone over here, and we want to scroll down to find About Phone. We want to go to About Phone, then scroll all the way down, and keep tapping on the build number over here. Then enter your screen lock password, and then you will see this information that you are now a developer. After that, we're gonna go back to Settings and choose System option here. Now in the System settings, we can find Developer options here. So let's go to Developer options. Here in Developer options, keep scrolling down until you find the Bluetooth option, which is here. Then finally, in Bluetooth, we should be able to find HD audio and the Bluetooth audio codec that is currently used. So of course, here we can turn off the HD audio codec and switch to a different one. We can turn it on to use the audio codec, and we can use LDAC or even LHDC. However, there is also a chance that you will not have LDAC in here, even though your Bluetooth device, for example, provides you or uses the LDAC. So this might be due to the app that you may have installed for your Bluetooth device. For example, here for my earbuds, I have this app where in Settings, I can choose the sound quality, or actually I can choose what should be the priority, either the connection or the sound. So if I choose connection quality, then most likely I will use AAC audio codec or maybe even SBC audio codec instead. So if that is the case, if you do use an app for your Bluetooth device, you want to make sure that the sound quality is in fact the priority, and then we should be pretty certain that we are going to use LDAC. It seems that on Google Pixel 11 it is completely automated, and it always tries to use the best audio codec possible. But as a result, of course, we don't have the option to enable or disable it in Bluetooth settings, which is quite a bit weird, because I don't think any other smartphone does that. At least not. I cannot think of any other Android smartphone. Still, we can manage the audio codec setting in here, deep in developer options, and that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.